We've landed in Singapore, one of the food capitals of the world. We're going to take you along to experience the local eats, from the hawkers to the famous ice cream uncle and one of our favorite top seafood restaurants. Grab a snack and get comfy. Welcome to Sulu Outdoors in Singapore. We're starting with a traditional breakfast, some Gaia toast. Let's see how my auntie can show me how to do it properly the Singapore way.
You want one or two?
Two? Okay.
Okay, on the edge.
Yikes. You want to see a little bit of yellow.
Okay,
And
very
just
runny.
A dash of color.
What is that, soy sauce?
Soy sauce, lightly. Okay.
Pepper.
And then, ta-da! That.
This is it. This is a traditional breakfast.
Yes.
Just
Singapore
dip it.
breakfast.
Is it butter in here or Gaia?
Kaya and butter.
Oh, okay.
So,
Oh, that's a generous amount of butter.
That's a heap of butter.
Yeah, you get the yolk out, right? Yeah. Then you can, if you want, and then just scoop up, then you see the goo coming out.
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Extra runny?
I like it.
Yeah, then you can see it dripping down the, This butter?
Oh, that'd be good.
You want to try it?
Yummy. I could eat that every day. We polished that breakfast off. Oh, so good.
All done.
One set with a coffee, toast, and egg was $1.80. You cannot beat that price. Another common breakfast item at the hawker is roti prata, a stretched dough that is folded into layers and cooked on a hot griddle. It's usually served with mutton curry or dal. It is one of our favorites when we're in Singapore. My uncle was telling me that the original hawkers actually started like on the street selling food, but ended up being like a safety and sanitary issue. So the government kind of created these hawker stall areas to give them more like running water, electricity, a little bit more regulation.
Hawker centers are slowly going extinct. They're on their second generation now, and the kids don't necessarily want to work in the hawker centers. They want to go and make a better living, as like most people do.
I would be so sad if Singapore had no more hawkers.
Yeah, it's such a unique and culturally important aspect of the cities.
Truthfully, I don't know what the solution is here, but definitely make sure to try out a hawker center and some of the really good local food when you go to Singapore, because who knows, they may not exist in the future. Enough of a history lesson, let's get back to the food tour. You want a really good coffee or tea option? This one. What's your order here?
This is an iced coffee C, like a large one.
Upsized.
Upsized. We got the upsized sold.
And less sweet.
A little bit less sweet, yeah.
Which in Chinese, how do you say it?
Sudai. I say not so sweet.
Not so sweet. My aunt told us that it's been around for like over 100 years. And they have really good ice kopi.
Hell yeah, let's go.
So that's another one on the hit list for Singapore. Let's see where else we can show you. Next up is a perfect midday snack. This is Munchie Pancakes. They make fluffy pancakes with various fillings. Traditionally, it's made with peanut or red bean filling, but they had other flavors like Biscoff or black sesame. These guys are a franchise, so you'll find them everywhere, and they go for about $3. We got our mini munchie pancakes. It's like a filled pancake, but like more chewy, would you say? Oh. Yummy. So we got peanut and coconut for this one. So good. Good, crunchy peanut. That's yummy. Okay, we got the coconut next. It looks like carrots. They're pretty good though. Those are the minis. This is the full-size one, and this is the black sesame charcoal. They're pretty good. I think the minis are better.
That's good. I dig it.
How was it?
Yummy. In my tummy.
That was so good. Let's hit up the next spot. Another legendary Singapore snack stop is Old Chang Kee. It started in 1956, and they are famous for their curry puffs and seafood on a stick. Cheesy fish finger. My dad loves Old Chang Kee for their fried chicken. Oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted it to be. Deep fried fish ball in a stick form. With cheese? With cheese. And then I got the tiger prawn. That looks good. Wrapped in bean curd, so good. Go here, for sure. What's next on our Singapore food tour? You guys probably know, or maybe you don't, that Singapore is very famous for their razor clams. So that is on our list next.
Are they in season?
I really hope
confirmed?
so.
Like,
I really hope
so.
so. We're about to find out. And crab. Really delicious crab that I had last time I was here, and I literally dream about it.
Yes.
I cannot wait to show you guys. Come on guys, let's go. We had plans to order a lot of food, so we brought in the whole family. Seriously does not get any fresher than like right here. They pull it out and cook it for us. This restaurant is called Long Beach, and they are famous for their seafood, especially their black pepper crab, which is coming up. But first, we're gonna dig into the razor clams. These are topped with a boatload of garlic and vermicelli noodles, which is so perfect to soak up all of those juices. There's no such thing as too much garlic. I know I said they're a seafood restaurant, but their roasted duck also came highly recommended, so we went for it. And then there she is, the crab of my dreams, the white jade mud crab. But they are also famous for their black pepper crab, so we ordered that one too. I'm not sharing with you, Luke, sorry. Wow, that sauce is so good. Look how big this is, it's bigger than my palm.
Okay, don't find me butting.
Wow. Look at her. This is what I dream about. This is why I come to Singapore and to visit family. And this is what they're famous for. I think it said 1982 is like when they started this famous black pepper. Yeah, it's got a little spice to it, whereas the white jade one does not. I talked about earlier how affordable it was to eat at the Hawker. Let me tell you, this was a totally opposite experience in a restaurant. In case you're nosy, I'll give you a little breakdown. The razor clams are $15 per clam, the duck about $40, and each crab is around $200. And you bet it was 100% worth it. I'd do it again. Am I making you guys hungry just watching this video yet?
I'm hungry.
I hope you have a good little snack, and we'll keep on going and show you a few more good eats. My favorite. I love how they wrap it up like this. Oh. This is called black carrot cake. It's a Singapore special in the Hawkers. This is made up of steamed daikon, which is made into a cake and then cut up into cubes and stir-fried at high heat. Then you add garlics, eggs, and a sweet sauce. You definitely have to give this a try if you're in Singapore. This next dish is something I'd never even heard about. Coconut chicken hot pot. Does that sound kind of weird? Well, let me tell you, it is so good.
This was a pretty unconventional heating method with a bed of coals, but I'm a big fan of it. They put this farm-raised, pineapple-fed raw chicken right into the ice. Apparently, it tastes better, and I would have to agree.
They also add in goji berries, carrots, corn, and some other seasonings. It's supposed to be a herbal broth that has health benefits. Oh, and the coconut water and coconut flesh, all in the pot. Once all the ingredients are added to the pot, they put the lid on it and you do not touch it, probably for about 15 to 20 minutes so that all of the flavors are blended together. And to no surprise, it smells so good. Definitely get the coconut scent. And the flavor, amazing. The broth is so good and the chicken is tender. It has a little bit of sweetness too. We ordered a whole chicken. You have the option to do a half if you'd like, and it was plenty for 6 of us. This restaurant is called Chow Baba, and they don't even have a website, but if you look at their Google reviews, it's a 4.9 for over 1,000 reviews. While we're talking about chicken, I can't forget the most important chicken dish in Singapore, the Hainanese chicken rice. Queen of chicken rice. This girl, it's her fave. Teach us the way. You're putting chili. Is that the ginger? And a scoop of rice. And that's it. That's the good stuff. And this set for $5.50 came with a delicious soup stock as well. My sister doesn't say much, but let me translate. That face says, amazing, so good. I am not ending this video without a little dessert. Come with me to get our favorite sweet treat. This next food stop is something that's probably Luke's favorite all the way in Singapore.
Legit.
That we came across the world for.
Super touristy, but like it's one of those ones that's absolutely worth it.
So good. You may already guess what we're referring to. The OG ice cream uncle.
Let's go.
They have some traditional flavors and some really unique ones. The ice cream is cut from a block and wrapped in either paper or a wafer cracker. All right, Susanna's order is the sweet corn on bread. Luke here's got the yam or taro also on the bread, but he likes it on the wafer as well.
I don't know what happened. We'll have to go back and try again.
And they're $2. And you gotta eat fast because it's so hot in Singapore. Oh my god, I love that. You don't think corn and ice cream go together, but it really does.
Yeah, works so well. Why does the corn work so well?
I don't know, it's so good. If you're on Orchard, they have multiple of these ice cream uncles, but this one is like, for some reason, the real OG one.
Takashimaya.
Takashimaya?
Yeah.
Wow, I thought I had that in my brain. Outside of here, ice cream uncle.
Thank you. She'll get us sweet corn on a wafer.
Don't judge us, but round 2, for all you know, this was a totally separate day, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, round 2 with the wafers this time.
Yeah, I don't know what one I prefer, bread or wafer.
I think I prefer the bread, but just get both.
Gotta get both.
We hope you enjoyed this Singapore adventure with us and all the good eats, and we'll take you on the next adventure. I don't know what we have planned yet, but I don't think it's going to top the food we had on this trip. We cannot wait to come back and visit family. Thank you for tagging along. We'll see you next time. This family trip, chaos,
That's true.
but wouldn't have it any other way.
Yeah. Hot. Sticky.
Hot, sticky, sweaty, greasy, good food.
Bitchy.
Bitchy. Oh, I
Bitchy.
wonder who we're talking about.
Yeah.
At least she can admit it, and we still love her for it.
Thank you.